I'm very happy to make a little speech in lieu of me not being able to be there today for our Kicharian music mantra CD called The Highway to Bliss. The music album was produced by our own in-house talents and people under the guidance of Miss Han, my good friend, a hard worker, and a wonderful human being. The department that it was made in is called Kichara in Motion. And the idea came about after our very successful play that was Legend of the Conch Shell in December 2009. The album that we have produced is in the Kicharian spirit to bring powerful, ancient mantras that have the ability to heal, that have the ability to give the clarity of the mind, that have the ability to completely make the environment we live in filled with peace, light, hope, and love. And this album, The Highway to Bliss, was created for fundraising, to showcase the different styles of mantra in music, with music, and to create awareness of this mantra that we call Miktsema. Mantra are sacred words of power. They are words that move the body's vibrations, move the body's breath, move the body's energies to heal, to feel better, to be released, and to let go of any emotional stress or pain that we may have. Miktsema is a very famous mantra of Tibet. And old and young, scholars, ordinary people, all recite Miktsema. But we went one step ahead. We made it that it is in the form of a song with beautiful music produced by Po Chi Hong. Beautifully coordinated, project coordinated, beautifully coordinated by our own in-house Jace Chong. And again, our own talents, the main vocalists are Mr. James Long, Athena Bay, who was the first runner-up for 1999's Astro Talent Quest, very talented person. Our own Kicharian Abby Fu, and Fang, Miss Fang Chang, and least, although I mentioned last but not the least, our own Manjushri Kids class, our own Manjushri Kids. The album cover was modeled by Uncle Lai, Karen Chong, and Little Tony Tan. So the music, the production, the cover, the models are all in-house Kicharians, all from Kichara organization. And the music is uplifting, very warm, very powerful, and it's bringing something very ancient into the modern world. So when we listen to this mantra in the singing form, Miktsema, it represents sending love to the people you love. It represents receiving love. It represents healing, and it represents making the mind very focused, have clarity, and when we have clarity, we can accomplish anything. So Miktsema mantra is recited traditionally for healing, for clarity, and also clearance of depression. I send my most warmest wishes for the success and growth of this beautiful Miktsema mantra CD called The Highway to Bliss. I'm very proud of our people. I'm very proud of all the hard work that's put into it. And I send my deepest congratulations to everyone involved. And I thank all of you for being there, and I thank all of you for your kind support. Thank you.